I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop getting notifications that people are online on Discord using the mobile app. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the back button to navigate back to the home screen if you're in a specific server, and then tap your profile icon to open the user settings menu. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this screen. The settings icon looks like a gear. Step 3. Navigate down to the app settings section and then tap notifications in this section. Step 4. Swipe down to the other notifications section and then tap to toggle off friends online in this section. You will immediately stop receiving push notifications on your device whenever a friend status changes to online. If you still feel like Discord is being a bit too noisy, you might want to look into your server-specific settings. Sometimes the clutter isn't from friends coming online, but from active servers sending notifications for every single message. You can fix this by long pressing a specific server icon, selecting notifications, finding the server notification settings section, and then switching that setting to either only app mentions or nothing. This ensures that you only get buzzed when someone is actually trying to reach you directly. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.